paddle road, kicking up water and mud through the Karoo plains. Pools of water's a must, leaving Karoo's secret farm. Aberdeen's our destination, with the cloudy sky. Land Rover in 4x4, taking us along, sliding through the mud, swerving from side to side, making memories on this wild adventure in the heart of Karoo, where dreams will never die. On this muddy road, I keep on driving through the Karoo's beauty and charm. I'll keep surviving. Land Rover is my guide as I journey on in this rainless land. How I love the great Karoo, my love, my pride. As I journey on in this rainless land.